Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access and locating the Pixel ID because without correct credentials, nothing else works. Once you have admin rights, install the Pixel using the simplest method for your setup: Meta Tag, Google Tag Manager, or an e-commerce partner. Make sure the Pixel ID matches exactly. Then open Events Manager and the Test Events pane. You need that live monitor. You should also prepare your website in a fresh browser tab so you can trigger actions while watching Events Manager capture them. Now run a series of controlled triggers: page view, add to cart, purchase, and a custom event while watching test events. If events fail, inspect the browser console and network tab to see blocked scripts, 400 errors, or mismatched Pixel ID. These explain why the calls never reach Meta. Once done, look for duplicate firings and correct them in GTM or your template. Also validate event parameters and types, because incorrect parameter names or missing required fields will make events unusable for optimization. Finish by validating with the Meta Pixel Helper extension and, if available, your server-side event logs so you have two independent confirmations. After making fixes, clear caches and disable ad blockers, then retest in Events Manager to ensure consistent reception. If events still fail, replicate the flow on a minimal test page to isolate code. Collect console and network logs and note timestamps. You'll need these when escalating to platform support or a developer to quickly pinpoint the remaining issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.